Quick video on the windshield in Chicago. Well, driving south out of Chicago, it's raining, as you can see, and a double coating of diamond glass is fantastic. I didn't even touch it up with the Optimum Clean and Protect this time. I just scrubbed it off the bugs and let it go, but it's doing wonderful. Quick update. Got me a rainy day. Let's go out and see how the windshield's doing today. This is a week later from the previous video, which was done last Saturday, right after the Chicago Auto Pros meet and greet. This is the Sunday after. So I guess the first thing that I can do here is get it just some, because I never do this either, just how the water reacts in the rain. Now I washed the car a little bit. Let me see, I washed the car yesterday, yeah, because we went on a little road trip. So I washed the car, but I didn't use it to top anything. Two or 3 days prior to that, I washed the car. These are wrenchless washes with yellow O&R. Oh, the rain's already stopping. Well, let's get out and see if it beads up at all. I mean, I know it should, it will, but let me stand underneath my... It was a dry car and I pulled out, so I'll get in here in a second to show you if you can't see, it's beading up. The rain's already lessening up. We're gonna go out to breakfast, I think, and I'm gonna just take my, if it's still raining 5 or 10 minutes from now, I'll come out and film then. But at least we have pictures of it or video really quick. Yeah, it's already, the rain's already slowing down, dang it. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so I had to get all the bugs off. But it's just a dry car, and now it's sprinkling on it. So that's what I hoped. Look, the sides are still dry. It's not even raining. Top looks good. And like I said, I use yellow O&R. That's what I use. I put a topper of, well, not a topper, I used a drying agent of Instant Detailer and Gloss Enhancer. Yesterday, though, I didn't do anything. I didn't even wash the whole car yesterday. Well, I washed the whole car in the morning and drove it a few hundred miles and got back, and the bugs were, well, obviously on the frontal over, so I just used some Power Clean and some Adams Graphene CS3 to clean the bugs off the front. Don't like those bugs to sit. And I just literally just went from the hood down to the bottom of the front bumper and the mirrors. That was it. Didn't touch anything else. The window has, again, only been cleaned with a scrub, like a bug scrubbing kind of sponge. Actually, I was using that new one. I used the new sponge from the rag company that has the clay towel on one side, or the clay material on one side, and like a bug scrubber on the other side. That's what I've been using. That's my new window scrubber. And I used it a little bit on the front bumper yesterday too. But the window has double coating now of the diamond glass, but it also has been only topped, I guess you can call it a topper, with Optimum's Glass Clean and Protect. Now I do have the Opti-Coat Glass Clean and Protect, which is what I actually put on there yesterday. That's the reason I woke up and I heard it rain. I was like, I better get outside and do me a video. That's what this says on it now. It has a Opti-Coat Clean and Protect, but obviously I'm not going to get to see it unless it rains as we drive over to the restaurant for breakfast today. But yeah, oh, I know it's going to look good, so I know it's going to repel water. Whew, I'm wearing a tank top today. This rain's chilly. Look at that deep old puddle. Well, it looks like I'm not going to be able to get any. I don't know if my mic's picking that up, but I might get a little bit more. It might rain. All right, well, I'll get back on here if it starts raining again. You know, for sure. Do the front windshield on our drive. Hopefully this picks it up. I'm doing 22 miles an hour. I'm going this way because this way it looks darker this way. This isn't my normal route, but this is the route that I'm going today. So So it's already starting to move at 24. There's 33. Yeah, it's moving very, very well. So let me get out of here. This drive's a little bit longer to get out to the road where I can at least go 40 or 50 or so. Hard to hold the camera steady. I'm doing 30, and as you can see, when the bigger drops hit, it comes right out. Ooh, let me put it on cruise control 30. There's cruise control 30. Which in my car, cruise control 30 is actually 28. It's actually not even 30 miles an hour, so my car reads 2 miles an hour fast, because I think all BMWs do. But. And a trash can in the roof, because apparently it had wind last night as well. I'm going to keep it rolling. And hopefully catch some rain out this way. And I'm going to go through the... Right here, okay, I'm doing 15. I'm going to put the cruise control on. I'll tell you when I hit 30, 25, 28. There's 30. I got it on slow ramp up here, so... Bigger bumps. I'm just going to kick it up to 40 really quick. I'll go. Okay, there's 35, 40, 45. Alright, so, oh man. I'm going to turn around here a little bit. I'm not going to wait for that light up there. Well, there we go. This window is working perfectly again. I really don't see any bugs from yesterday on here, so I'm not going to clean it again. So, well, there we go. Double diamond glass with Opti-Coat Glass Clean and Protect, and or Opti-Coat Glass Clean and Protect. That's the way to go. Time to turn around.